Sit. Sit. Trying to get Woody used to thunderstorms because he's very, very scared of them. And he's drooling all over me. Ew, get down, get down. Sit. It's okay, you don't have to be scared. He didn't even chew them. Basically just swallowed them. Woody, it's okay. You don't have to be scared of thunderstorms. They're very cool. He does not agree. Sit. I'll do it like the dog show handlers do it. You're gonna need to give me some more of those. It's okay, Woody. It's okay. See? He really doesn't like it. Sit. Good boy.